Hello, this is ELB. Let's get back to work. Got a couple of hours before I gotta go to my actual work, my job. So, hold on. Okay. So, last time I recorded, it was sort of a short session, I guess. We didn't really get anywhere with it. All we have is that. And I think I have something that's gonna work. So it's damage plus stat bonus times attack modifier. So the damage would essentially, hold on, weapon damage, there we go. So the weapon damage would either be one of the four stats, or one of the four basic damage types, slice, pierce, bludgeon, chop. Stat bonus would be based off of the damage type, so for chop and bludgeon it would be strength, for slice and pierce it would be dex, and then the attack modifier is something part of the attack itself. And that will probably be 1.0 most of the time, but if it's like nearing the end of a combo it might be higher, or if it's just supposed to be a particularly strong attack it'll be higher, especially for the actual special attacks. So let's see. Attacks, unarmed. It's bludgeon damage, so we got, So I'm actually thinking of removing one important detail. I'm going to remove the skill scaling for now, because thinking on it more, I'd rather skill be a stat that's used for increasing basically what you can do with a weapon, aka the higher your skill is, the faster you'll become proficient at the weapon, as in learning its combos, its special moves, things like that. So it's a stat that you wouldn't really put much into unless you wanted to be a jack of all trades. So let's see here. Weapon damage plus stat bonus times attack modifier. Okay. No. Var attack mod equals that. Var weapon base equals that. Var, what was it? Stat bonus. No, I'll put that in there. Var weapon base slice equals that. var weapon base bludgeon equals that. var weapon base chop equals that. Okay, let's see. So for now, let's just say that it's 10 for everything. I don't think so. Slice doesn't really make sense for a hand. Well, neither does pierce really, but at least, well, I don't know. There's a karate chop, which is the chop, but whatever. It's all just gonna be 10 for now. Var attack mod equals 1. Okay. So let's see. Hold on. So this would be weapon damage plus stat bonus. So var weapon base pierce plus stat bonus. It would greatly depend on the weapon. Or would it? So, okay, so let's say, well, so the question simply becomes, do I want the stat bonus to be something that is a part of, or that is added to every weapon? Or do I want it to be something that is weapon dependent? If that makes any sense at all. Either something that's always added or not. Hold on. For now, let's just say that it's added on the same for everything. Oh, we could say it's... dexterity. So, would that really make sense though, your skill judging how much you can get out of your strength or dexterity? I mean, kind of. Okay, then times var attack mod. I think this makes sense. Let's see. Base slice. Bludgeon. Chop. Pierce and slice is dexterity. Chop and bludgeon are strength. But then since we're doing bludgeoning damage, let's comment out these. I commented out the wrong one. Okay. Oh. What is that? Hold on a moment. Actually, let's do this in a different one. Notepad. There we go. So object index name undefined. What the hell? Oh, that was what I did wrong. It was argument 0, not argument 1. Okay. Okay. Oh, I didn't do speed at all. I don't know which one it would scale off of more, to be honest. So let's not worry about that for now. Okay. One, two, three, four. You know what? I'm gonna create something real quick so that we can better visualize this. I'm also gonna take a sip. Well, first I'm gonna do something I should have done a while ago, actually. As in, yesterday. There we go. Gonna make it sealed, just so that we can't do less than 1 damage. Almost there. Okay, there we go. Okay. I'm going to create an object called obj damage count. And it is going to be, well, no sprite. Create damage equals that, and then draw if damage if is draw text XY damage let's see, we want it to be FA center, FA middle, C white, draw set font. It's actually not going to be player menu. We'll call it font. Font damage count. I like that. Okay. Let's see. Um, if it doesn't say error, first we draw it. No. Then we draw it as white over border. There we go. Draw set color, see black. X plus 1, X minus 1, Y plus 1, Y minus 1. I think that's all we need. Sorry for scraping the mic so much. And then I'll do timer set, no, alarm set 0:30, so that'll be 1 second. Instance destroy. We'll make sure that's really high up there. Wait, that's the wrong one. Now we're creating a damage counter. Oh. No. Oh, it was SCR B-box. There we go. And then ID first, so These need to be in quotations, otherwise it won't work. Length dir x. No, I'll do for y, I'll just do b or b box top minus 6, I guess. Yeah, minus 6. So this is going to look a little bit odd for now, but let's take a look, I suppose. I'd like to add a little bit of an effect to it. Okay, I totally forgot to do the important part. Damage. Okay. Ah. Equals there we go. Var damage count ID, var damage count ID dot I dot damage equals var old HP minus var enemy HP. Okay. Var enemy ID HP. No. Font damage count not set before. Really? There we go. That is odd. Why is it appearing right there? Oh, come on, no. Step. Hit detection and animation. There we go. I'm also going to modify the font. Alright. Turn off the anti-aliasing. You know what, real quick? Uh, what was it called? H speed? H speed? There we go. Equals I random range -3, 3. I think it does negatives. So as far as I know, that'll work. Then, nope. So it'll look like it does a little bounce in a random direction. Of course. Okay. Give me one moment. Okay. Doesn't seem very random. Also, I'm gonna increase the size a little bit. I'm also going to do sprite alpha opacity, image opacity, image alpha. So let's see if it takes 30. Here, hold on. Yeah. That takes way too long. So let's do that instead. Oh, wait a moment. I know what's going on. We'll do text alpha equals 1. Okay. Hopefully this works. Oh. Of course. Going so fast, or trying to, that I'm forgetting how anything works. Bonk. Okay, I'm gonna try to make it move a little bit slower. Let's see how this looks. Okay. I think that looks okay. I'm gonna pause for now. And I am back. So I talked it over with someone when it comes to the way I handled it, and I'm not quite pleased with it anymore. You'll see why in a moment, or you'll see my thoughts in a moment. Bop. Anyhow, so we're assuming a few things if we did it this way, right? So if base bludgeon is 10, then that would mean that skill would be So let's say base attack is between 1 and 100, okay? 1 to the attack mod, which we'd say is between 1 and 2. So I guess I don't really like the idea of, in a way, I don't really like the idea of skill being that important of a stat. You'd be forcing a lot of well, you would be forcing a lot of players to pump stuff into that stat, even if they don't feel it's necessary otherwise. It's the only thing that would be forcing them to pump stuff into the stat. And I don't really want any required stat for melee builds. I mean, you'd need either strength or dex anyway, but neither of them are required, only one of them is, whereas skill would be required from all of them. So, I don't know. So, let's then bring this to its logical conclusion. What's the minimum amount of damage that we can do? It would be 1 plus 1 divided by 100 times 1 to the power of 100, or 1 times 1. So this is equal to, hold on a moment, .01. Okay. So what about the max possible damage? It would be 100 plus 100 divided by 100 times 100 times... Let's check by 1 for now. $200. And of course, if it was times 2, it would be 400. So I guess part of the problem that I have with this is it makes it so that leveling becomes less useful over time, but I guess that's also kind of part of it. I mean, well, so I guess it wouldn't be that bad, because it would then mean that as you get stronger, leveling means less, and it's... I guess that's kind of the point, isn't it? Okay. Well, how can we remove skill from the equation then? So let's see what that skill is anyway. It's the 1 to 100 divided by 100. Okay. So that would be 1 divided by 100. Which of course is 0.01. And then 100 divided by 100 equals 1. and then that would be multiplying by strength. So well, it could be a rating, I guess. Should we just steal Dark Souls' system of having A's, B's, C's, all that stuff? So we could say that the param bonus can be anywhere from bonus be between 0 and 1.5. So if you have 150 strength, or if you have 100 strength, then that would get you 150 extra points of damage if you got the 1.5. Yeah. So I guess we're pulling skill out of the equation, so it would look something more like weapon base damage for whatever the thing is. Plus zero through 1.5 times strength times fair attack mod. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna do this. Let's see. So it is going to be here. you know what, here, I'll do this. Create RD, base weapon damage. And then yeah. So let's fix this real quick. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna pull this over here so I can see it still. Plus I'm just gonna put strength for now. Zero, 1, 2, where? So, how do we use return? Oh, no. Just return. If argument 3 equals 0, then we do this. If argument 3 equals 1, return, or then, oh, what am I doing? I can just do this. Oh wait, damage type, what am I thinking? I'll do 0 being chop, 1 bludgeon, 2 pierce, 3 slice. Also, I'm going to pause for a moment. Okay, I'm back at it. So, I'm going to look at how this actually looks in the attack. And hopefully we can get it working. Hold on, I'm gonna sneeze. So SCR attack damage calc. So creator ID is argument 0, I believe. Base weapon damage. For now, I'm just going to put 10. Weapon param bonus. For now, I'm going to put 1. Damage type. Rather than that, I'm going to do so it's going to be 0 since it's strength, and then weapon attack damage modifier just 1. Oh, wait a moment. This is supposed to be 1 through 2. This is supposed to be... So we are going to be getting the param bonus from actual weapon data, but for now I'm going to leave it like that. Or should I? Yeah, I'll just leave it like this. And that should be that. Let's see. How much damage are we doing? Bop, 26. Still 2. Okay. Go to this guy. 20. Jeez Louise. Why so much damage? No, because we're getting so much out of our strength, right? Yeah, no, that makes sense. Okay. To be honest, I'm not sure I'm going to leave those strike numbers in the game. We'll see. Actually, for fun, gonna do object, players, create. So the only thing that we're changing here is this, this, this. How quick do you die? 143. Jeez Louise. Definitely dies quicker. How much? 110. Moving so fast. Huh. I'm gonna pause again real quick. Okay, I'm back, and I don't have a lot of time left before I gotta go to work. So let's bring this down to something normal. Go back in and... oh, wait a moment. I think I changed agility. I did not change agility. Okay. Still does plenty of damage. Still does almost none. I'm pretty sure most weapons aren't going to have the best scaling, but the ones that do are going to have pretty good scaling. So it's going to be, I think, a trade-off for a lot of weapons. Especially when looking at their moveset as well. Okay, I really don't have much time left. Dodge, speed, time, cooldown. Is there no dodge distance? Because I think I can at least do that real quick. Oh, was it dodge speed? I guess it was. So, as far as I can tell, we're simply not going to be having perseverance in the actual game. So I'm just going to remove that for now real quick. I think dodging can be increased by both endurance and agility. Real quick, I gotta do this. Removing perseverance. So what would we say then? That dodge speed is equal to 6 plus times let's see how that is. So right now it's probably not going to be a huge difference. Oh, never mind. Hold on a moment then. What the hell is this gonna look like? Endurance to 100, agility to 100. We're gonna go flying off the screen, aren't we? Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Oh my goodness, why is that so funny? Whoa, we passed through 2 areas. Okay. Let's not do that. So let's say that we want it to be 6 through 16, okay? So let's simply put it as 16 real quick and see how this looks. That is too much for a dodge. Let's try making it, let's see, we had it at 6, right? Hold on, let's look at 6 again. I might decrease it a little bit. The minimum, I mean. Yeah, it's not very much. Let's try 6 to, like, 10. See how this looks. Yeah, no, I like that actually. 6 to 10. Okay. 6 to 10. So if we're using endurance and agility, let's see here. So simply 2 for each. So let's see, 100. So 100 times 0.005. No. No. There we go. Agility, endurance, and there we go. That was unexpected. Why is it going so far? We have agility at 100 and endurance at 100, right? So should be hold on. 6 plus 100 times 0.02. Wait, what? No. Here, I'll just use Google. 6 plus 100. Oh. That would explain why. Only took a moment, I suppose. Okay. It's quite nice. I like it. Yeah. So, I'm probably done for the day. If I do any more dev, it will be in a different video. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.